Thank you guys, I finally did it. I reached my goal of 1,000 subscribers. It only took me like a decade, but I finally did it, and I just want to say thank you guys. And for that reason, I'm quitting my Amazon FBA business and I'm doing YouTube full time. And in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down how much money I make on YouTube, my long-term strategy, what is my goal with YouTube, and I'm just going to break down what it took to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark, so stay tuned. What's up guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Trevin Peterson, and for those that are new to the channel, I'm a multiple six-figure YouTuber. Actually, I'm not, guys. I'm a multiple six-figure Amazon seller. That is what I do full-time. Enough with the stupid, corny jokes. I'm not quitting my Amazon FBA business for YouTube, but what I want to do in this video is basically break down what my strategy is with YouTube and how long it took me to get to 1,000 subscribers, how much money I get paid doing a YouTube channel, and just to show you guys how much time and energy it actually takes me to have my YouTube channel. So I just want to be transparent. It's kind of a different video, but I'm really excited to kind of just dive into a few of the different things that you guys are unaware of, or maybe you are, but I just want to be open book and show you guys my entire YouTube business. So let's dive into it. Alright guys, so here we are inside my YouTube channel, and what I want to do is just be as transparent, show you guys everything, when I started, how many subscribers I have, what it took, how was I able to grow my channel to a big whopping 1,300 subscribers, as you guys can see. So 1,300 subscribers is my total mark, and I'm not doing this video to say that I'm the most popular YouTuber, that I know everything about it. I'm literally just doing this video to show you guys what YouTube takes and how much time and energy it requires and how much money you guys can get paid by doing YouTube, okay? So that's the only reason why I'm doing this. I think it's fun to just be open and show you guys what it actually takes to get to that point, even though it's a fairly small number. But for me, I mean, it's a huge accomplishment. So I just want to first say thank you guys for following along and supporting me. I mean, I would have never thought that I would even get to 1,000, but I've just chugged along and just kept putting out content. So that's kind of the first thing that you guys need to understand, is it takes some time. It's not going to happen overnight. But let's go to my first video. It's 10 months ago, so basically I started my channel back in March of 2018. My entire channel is all about Amazon FBA, so how to build a successful Amazon FBA business. I also have some Instagram videos on there, but I mainly focus on Amazon FBA and how to grow and scale your FBA business to that six-figure mark like I did. So that's the reason why I have the channel, is I saw some other channels out there and I thought that I could go out and put some better content out there. I thought that some of my strategies were different than other YouTubers, and so I was like, I'm going to start a YouTube channel and I want to help as many people as I can. So that was my initial goal with YouTube, is just to put out content, because some of the videos what people were teaching about I didn't agree with, so I thought to myself, well, I'm going to do it and I'm going to come out with some Amazon FBA content. So let's go to one of my videos, and I have a little plugin to show me kind of how many subscribers I have, how many videos in total, how many total views I have with my channel. So in the last 10 months, I've created and made 150 videos. So not all of them are posted. I've taken some down. I've got rid of some of my old videos that I did not like, and I didn't, I was embarrassed to even have the videos up, so I got rid of them. I just made them basically unlisted, so that's why there's 150. And 1,300 subscribers, and in total 300,000 views in my basically 10 months of being a YouTuber, I guess. So that is a lot of videos, and that's kind of the first thing that you guys, you may understand this, but to a certain extent, being a YouTuber and posting content weekly or even daily, it takes a ton of time and effort. I mean, 150 videos, each video takes me literally an entire day if I do it properly. I have to come up with the idea of what I want the YouTube video to be about. I have to come up with a title. I want it to be an eye-catching title. I want the keywords in that title to be searched a lot, not too competitive. I mean, it's just kind of like Amazon. You're trying to find certain keywords that aren't super competitive. You're looking to build a thumbnail that's like clickbait, so people actually click on the videos. You have to edit the videos, you have to film the videos, and it literally takes a ton of time. And some YouTubers, some people that do videos it may take them an hour, or it may take them 30 minutes, and then they pass it on to someone to actually edit their videos for them. For me, I do literally everything myself. I edit the videos. I'm not professional. I mean, I know very little when it comes to editing, but I mean, I've come a long way in the last 10 months. My thumbnails are just kind of, they're not professional. I do them all myself to my best ability, and then I come up with captions, keywords, descriptions, all on my own as well. So it takes a lot of time, and 150 videos literally has taken me, I would say, each video a couple, 3-4 hours. Okay, so let's see how many hours that is. So we'll say the average video takes me 3, so 150, so that's 450 hours. So if we do that, kind of comparing it to a full-time job for an entire year, so we'll do 40 hours a week times by 52, and that is 2,000. So I mean, it's not a full-time job. Obviously, I mean, I've put in 450 hours about, I mean, that's just an estimate, 450 hours compared to like a full-time job if you were working a 9 to 5, 40 hours a week. I was putting in about 450 hours into my YouTube channel, which is a lot in comparison to how much I'm actually getting paid. So that's another reason why I wanted to do this quick video, is to show you kind of how much money I make and how much money that YouTube actually pays me. So just recently, I started running ads on my video, and the reason being is once you get to a certain point, it's 1,000 subscribers and it's like 4,000 hours of watch time, you can then put ads on your videos, and the more people that watch your videos, the more people see your ads, and then the more YouTube pays you. So this kind of just shows you a little bit of how much YouTube is estimating that they're going to pay me for the last 30 days. And I started running ads on January 29th, so it's only been 16 days. Today's February 15th. So 16 days, I've made $105. So literally the first 9 months, I did not have any ads and I was getting paid $0. So if I go back and I do 105 divided by 16, because that's how many days I've been running the ads for, I'm getting paid $6.50 a day to have my YouTube channel. So that's not a lot at all. I mean, if you times that by 365 for an entire year, that's $2,400 every single year that I would make running ads if my channel stayed exactly where it's at. Now, that's not a lot of money, and that's something that a lot of people don't realize, is they think that I have a YouTube channel because I just want to make a bunch of money, and that is absolutely not the case, because if that was, I would have quit. I mean, I would have quit my channel a long time ago, because I wasn't getting paid from YouTube for an entire 9 months. I was doing this purely to just put out free content and to help as many people as possible. Yeah, I had a few affiliate links, but I mean, in my last video, my December 2018 income report, my affiliate links are barely making me any money, and so I was doing this just purely out to just help people. My Amazon FBA business was going super well. I had some spare time, and so I picked up the camera and I started filming myself, and I've really enjoyed it, and I have fun making these videos, and I've enjoyed it. And so that's kind of why I've had it. And to make an extra $6.50, that's not that much, and I haven't even gotten to the best part. So I make about $6.50 every single day on YouTube, which I'm not going to complain about. I mean, that's great. Now it's residual income. If I just literally threw my channel away and I didn't touch it, I could be making about $4 to $5 every single day without doing anything. But if I want to grow and scale it and actually turn it into something that I could potentially make like into a legitimate income, then I'm going to have to continue to produce and drop more content. So that's kind of the reality with YouTube. Is it's a lot of effort. You have to put a lot of time and energy into it, and you're not going to see a ton of results. I mean, 10 months, 150 videos, and I'm only at 1,300 subscribers. And the best part about that is right here. So this, I may get a lot of hate on this. Some people may say that I'm the stupidest person, but I don't care. I want my message in front of as many people as possible, and this is why I did this. So this is my Google Ads ad account. So basically what I have been doing since December 1st, I've been spending a little bit of money on YouTube ads just to put my YouTube videos in front of more viewers, so then more people see what I have to offer, so people can take advantage of my free content, and so that I can grow my channel and get my message out there of how to grow an Amazon FBA business. So in December, let's see if I can get this notification thing to go away. December 1st to February 14th, so that was yesterday, I've spent $2,000 in YouTube ads. So I basically have paid YouTube to put my ads in front of people. They click on them, they watch them, it gets me views, potential subscribers, and I mean, not a lot of subscribers. I mean, $2,000, and in December, I think I had like 700 subscribers in December, on December 1st. So since December 1st to now, I've grown like 600 subscribers, and I've paid $2,000 in ads. So if I kind of see how much I had to pay per subscriber, and I'm not paying for subscribers, this is just basically putting my video in front of viewers, and then they can potentially subscribe if they want. This isn't some sketchy site where I'm paying for views or paying for subscribers. This is through YouTube and just running ads, and then if the people like my video, then they can potentially subscribe. So just to kind of make that clear, this is not paying for subscribers, but I'm just kind of showing you how many subscribers I basically got by running $2,000 in YouTube ads. So $2,000 divided by 600, I basically spent $3.33 per subscriber. Now that's a lot of money per subscriber, taking into account that I'm getting paid from YouTube. Best case scenario, as you guys saw, $6.50 every single day. So it's going to take me a lot of time, I mean a full year, to recoup this $2,000. Okay, so that is just kind of showing you what I had to do to get my channel to that point. Now I'm not running very many YouTube ads. I just don't, because I don't want to spend more money. I just wanted to get to that point and get some momentum to grow my channel, and I thought that if I could grow it little by little, then it will start growing organically, which it has 100%. Since I've kind of stopped running the ads, my channel is still slowly growing. I pick up 10, 15, 20 subscribers a day, which is awesome. And I just want to say thanks to you guys for following along and supporting me. I mean, it really takes a lot of time for me to go in, edit my videos, come up with the different ideas of what the video wants to be about. I mean, it takes me a lot of time, and that is why I'm not quitting Amazon for YouTube, because my Amazon FBA business, I don't have to spend but a couple hours a week, and I'm getting paid 5 figures a month. So that is kind of where I'm at currently. I've even thought about doing away with my YouTube channel and just focusing 100% on Amazon FBA, but I'm passionate about helping other people. I'm passionate about creating content, and my Amazon FBA business, there's only so much that I can do during the day, because a lot of my work is at night when I'm communicating with the manufacturer. So during the day, I have some time to actually create some content. So I'm still going to have my YouTube channel. I'm not quitting Amazon FBA either, and my entire channel is going to be about Amazon FBA. So if you guys are interested in learning how to start and grow an Amazon FBA business, then go down and subscribe. I'd appreciate the support. I mean, I'm not going to pay you $3 to subscribe, but that's basically what I was doing here, running these different ads. And some people may say that was the stupidest thing. But for me, I'm very passionate about trying to get my message to as many people as possible, and the best way to do that was by running these different ads. So that's what I had to do to basically get my channel some momentum. I mean, it's a really competitive niche within the Amazon FBA. There's a ton of different YouTubers. There's a ton of different opinions out there. A lot of people dropping other videos saying this and that and the other. And I wanted to come out and just get my face out there, and I wanted to get as many people to know me as possible. So that was my kind of strategy since December 1st to now. And now I'm just going to be posting 1 to 2 videos a week on how to grow your Amazon FBA business. And if you guys are interested, I'd really appreciate the support. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know I kind of talked about a lot of different things, basically my entire journey, what it took. I hope you guys enjoyed. So if you guys did, leave a thumbs up, like this video, and I know I might get some hate and get some thumbs downs. People just like to do that, and maybe I will, because I spent $2,000 on ads to grow my channel, but that's okay. I don't care what anyone says. I'm doing my thing, and I'm living the life of my dreams, and I just want to say thank you guys for those that do support, and let me know what you guys want to see in the future. And yeah, let's end the video. I've talked a lot and now I don't have anything to say, so we'll see you in the next one.